I have a BA, but I don't get the job. And broken my heart, broken my life, broken my everything. Please open the border. Don't try to close the border. Hey, hi, here Mr. Christian. Let me tell you about the border. We are talking about the border. My friend is Mr. Rimsab came from long way to meet me here and make a message for the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Really about, and DC Hussain Jan about the border. You know that? The border is on your hand, my brothers. You are the Baloch people, you are Baloch people, you know that. A border, our stomach, and our food, and our job. I have a BA, but I don't get the job and the government. So what the hell is the meaning of that? And broken my heart, broken my life, broken my everything. That's mean I broke. But I don't want to my poor peoples, my brothers, my Baloch people, they will make some wrong way and gather some ways is checking about a border. Please open the border. Don't try to close the border. Yesterday was in the country was in 2,20,000 rupees. From where we get that? If we're going to give them 2,20,000 rupees, so how should we get the profit? You know that, and you also Baloch people. Mr. DC or Hussain, you know how to do things. And border on your hand, you are the Prime Minister of Pakistan. You have to, and please, we are Baloch people, we are poor people. Please help us, Allah will help you. Mr. DC, Hussain, you're going to help us, Allah will help you.